Hi, Turner. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you just have some cereal? Did you have cereal? Was it good supper? Oh, was it good? You got a messy face. And you got your messy bib. What are you doing? Stretching your legs? Do you want to take a drink? Good boy. Is that good water? Is that good? Are you blowing bubbles? Are you blowing bubbles? Hi. Look at your messy face.